Greetings, I be to Dr. Haliza. So this is lab 3 video. So the way I'm going to present the lab is I'm going to go through the questions one by one. So let's start with question 1. So question 1 wants us to copy paste this text editor commands and put it and save it as our name. So I already do it in the files previously, and okay, so it's a bit laggy for Fedora, so it's gonna take time. Alright, so I already put it in the... Oh, wait, where is it? Oh, in the desktop, sorry. So in the desktop, I put it as BRENDAN.sh here. So if you open it, it's exactly Brendan Dylan sh. Alright. So this is exactly the same thing, same as this one. I have executed it as well. So you can see the output here. So no such file directory. So it's creating the files of Accord, Apple CB, Hello World as well, and etc. Alright, so this is the proof that I've created the files as well, and the tree structure that is under the file of the sh files extension. Alright, so now I'm going to need to create the interactive bash script that will read the type of file extension and display all the file and count the number of files. Alright, so here I enter C as the input of the bash script. So I also have created that this Brendan.sh where it's going to echo the type of file extension, and then it's going to read the type, and then we're going to list it out by executing and listing out every single type of the files, and it's going to also echo the total number of files type, and by using the command find at here. So command find means that the total files is it by calling all times all dot type files. All right, so wc minus l. So as you can see at the output as well in the lab here, it's here. So in order to execute it, you're gonna have to like go to the correct directories and put it as type of extension C, this so fast, and etc. So I demo it a little quick here, maybe here. Okay, sh Brendan.sh. Oh, sorry, cd desktop. Alright, so sh Brendan sh. So type of extension, as mentioned in the question, is C, and it's going to list all the available C type files, and it's going to calculate the total number of files, which is 8. Alright, so that is for the question B. Okay, moving on to the second question. It is which asks us to create another bash script that will produce the directories as shown in figure 1. So I already created it as well. In order to access it, I'm going to go through the bash script name of a Brendan Dylan 2A, files, desktop, and then Brendan Dylan 2A.sh right here. So what I do is I have created the folder of mkdr subjects, and I have also created faculty and books folder as well. And then I need to create a text file inside the subject. So in the subject folder, we have operating system, software engineering text files, and also data communication text files. So in order to do that, I have to echo, I have to go to the subject folder, and I have to echo it by creating random variables, like for example OS representing operating system text files. Same thing goes for software engineering text file and also data communication text files. Right, So once I created the text file inside the subject folder, I go to the books folder. So books folder has the text files of Linux operating system and best of software engineering text files as well. So in order to do that, I have to echo it as well and creating the text file inside the folder books. Right. Once I do that, we can go to the faculty folder. Inside faculty folder, there will be another folder inside it, such as FCS folder and also FBE folder. So in FCS folder, we have text file .dean and also for the dean text files, and also FBE, we have project manager text files. Okay, so here at this line, I go through the directory of faculty, the FCS, and I've created the text file. The same things goes to the FBE text file. I go to the directories and created the project manager text file. So basically that's the thing for the files, and in order to show that it is being created, I'm gonna have to use the command tree or the sh here. So actually, since I already created it, I don't need to command sh files. I just need to use the command tree, and it's going to show the available files here. Right. Okay, here. Okay. Next question. Next question would be to use the access control to find the access control of the directories of files available. Alright, so in order to search for directories, so we know books is actually a folder, so we're going to ls.l books. Alright, so it's going to represent since it's a directory, I think it's a ls book, is it? No, I think it's ls ld.l books, ls ld. Alright. So in order to find the access control for the folders, we're going to use the command ls minus ld, which actually is the command for the access control of the folder, of the directories to be precise. So we can see here the access control is dr, wx, etc., which is exactly the same thing I put in the answer in this table as well. Right, so the same process go to the directory file subject, software engineering text file, FCS, and project manager. Right. Okay, so we going to create another bash script called my name.2c. So I put like Brendan Dylan 2c, but say sh, access the control directories and file based on the following information. Alright, so here, so you can see it's going to change the access of the directories or files. For example, for folder subject has access to the owner, all access to owner, but only one access to group and one access to the public. So here, chmod and etc., and execute the BRENDAN-DYLAN-A20EC0021 on the terminal. Okay. Once I've created this execute 2c files, I need to access control it again on the same folders. So basically that's all for the lab 3. Thank you for watching.